Have you ever asked yourself where and when World War I started? Archduke Franz Ferdinand, the heir to the throne of Austria-Hungary, was assassinated on the 28th of June 1914 by Gavrilo Princip right here by this very bridge. This is exactly what happened. After a ceremony in the city hall, his wife fell ill, so they had decided to go back to their residence. Franz told him to stop and turn around the carriage. Gavrilo Princip, right across the street, could not believe his eyes when he saw that the carriage was motionless. So he took out his handgun and fatally shot Franz and his pregnant wife, Sofia. But who was Gavrilo Princip? He was associated with the Black Hand Society, which wanted to realize a great Serbia. Austria-Hungary, knowing it was these extremists who were responsible for the assassination, issued an ultimatum to Serbia, starting World War I. And the rest is history.